invite Mr. Mayur Patnala, CEO, Nirman Organization, on the stage.
And good evening to the distinguished guests on the stage. It's a pleasure to set the context for this valedictory event. We'd like to specially talk about 6 points to the honorable guests on the stage, especially the first one being who are the audience. The audience are our own teachers who are from 75 tribal government schools located in 30 remotest parts of the districts of Telangana. The districts include Bhadrachalam, Khammam, Mahabubnagar, Vanapati, Nagar Karnool, Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli, Mulugu, Mahabubnabad, Warangal Rural, Warangal Urban, Jangam, Rangareddy, and Nalgonda and various districts. So we welcome you all heartfully because as we always talked about from the day one, it is not just the CXOs who have to be global leaders, but also all our teachers who are teaching at the remotest parts, who are responsible for 300 to 1,000 children each, are also our future global leaders. Thank you so much for all of you for coming over. Secondly, how many children will be benefited from this initiative? To the distinguished guests, we would like to mention that to our knowledge, it's around 45,000 tribal children will be reaching out through these 150 tribal teachers. So the impact, it maybe we are seeing only 150 audience over here, but we are targeting at this 45,000 tribal children. This knowledge will be going to all of them. We from Infosys, Haisya and Nirman, we thank Tribal Department, the Joint Director Dr. Nicholas, and also the Commissioner Ma'am and Deputy Director for giving an opportunity to serve these 45,000 children. A heartfelt gratitude and thanks from Infosys, Haisya and Nirman. What is the State Department in Government of Telangana which is running these tribal ashram schools? This is the third point. Yeah, of course I have addressed that is Tribal Welfare Department, headed by the Commissioner and the Joint Director and executed by the Deputy Director who is there here with us. And the program background, this DDA program initially started only with setting up of 30 exclusive digital labs in 10 districts of Telangana over as an IT industry, Infosys being the primary leader. Around 30 labs, exclusive labs have been set up in 10 districts of Telangana. Almost it has taken 1.5 years to 2 years till now. Now, this DDA program with the IT industry, with Infosys being the front runner, we are extending this expertise to 150 government schools being run by Tribal Welfare Department to train the teacher program. So that means along with our 30 labs where we are targeting and exclusively 12,000 children, we have another 45,000 children who are adding to our gamut of our impact. And this is the second train the teacher program that we are organizing in January, the first one being in November 2019. Both the train the teacher programs are initiated by, organized by Infosys Mamata. We heartfully thank Infosys Mamata team for taking this and setting a direction for many corporates to come, because now after this education department has also approached to organize one such event. They're requesting in January last week or February, etc. And this two demonstrations from the set by Infosys clearly sets a tone for that entire IT industry to follow and follow the suit for this impact. And finally, what are the topics that are taught during this state 3-day program? The topics that are taught are definitely how to use technology in education, how to use Microsoft Word for developing the problem, whatever question papers they were developing that teachers wanted to develop online. So, and then MS Excel, Microsoft Excel, teachers have mentioned, sir, that they want to develop mark sheets. So we have used those assignments, what they wanted, in order to teach them in our lab. And also they have learned MS PowerPoint, where they want to use PowerPoint to take images from the internet and teach to the students. And finally, we are very, very happy to share with Tribal Department, Infosys, ICI and Nirman together. In addition to what we have taught last time, one addition that we have done is, this time we have introduced also coding clubs. So coding clubs, asalu coding clubs etla work avutayi anedi we have given an introduction, and all the teachers are given an option. Meeru mee schools lo coding clubs start cheyadaniki willing ga unnara. The results are promising. Many of them have come forward that మేము coding club start చేస్తాము మా schools లో అని వాలంటరీగా మనం అడిగినా కూడా చెప్పున్నారు. So congratulations to all of you for setting that up. And last but not the least, this time we also asked from Infosys, from ICIA and from Nirman, we are able to organize. We are not able to organize on a continual basis. In the sense, we organized in November and now it is January. Even though there were requests to organize in December. Then Infosys Mamata core team has felt, Satish and Sachin, their team has felt that why not we develop master trainers among these teachers itself. So hence we have also have taken feedback and expressed, and many of them have expressed that they are willing to be master trainers. As an industry, as a non-profits, we would feel that this is a clear demonstration that we are committed to building capacities of Tribal Welfare Department within itself, so that at some point of time there will be zero dependency on the industry. Rather, the Tribal Department itself will be completely self-sufficient. So this is the context with which we thought we will set this, what happened over the 3 days and how are we progressing. Thank you so much for all the stakeholders, and మీరందరూ ఈ థర్డ్ డేకి రావడము ఒక మంచి అనుబంధంతో మీరు మీ విలేజెస్లో చాలా ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తారో కూడా చెప్పారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. మనం విల్ కంటిన్యూ ద జర్నీ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. విల్ స్టార్ట్ ద జర్నీ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
రెడీ సార్?
ఓకే రెడీ సార్. ఎవరు ఐస్ బ్లింక్ చేయొద్దు. ఓకే రెడీ. ఓకే.